Sniper, sniper snipes, you're gonna be famous. Or are you just full of piss and vinegar today? Alright, all you cool cats and kittens. Today I'm gonna show you a sexy cat eye with enough eyeliner to make Joe Exotic proud. Tiger King is taking the internet by storm. All these memes, I love it. If you haven't watched it, you must be living under a rock. It's a train wreck. It's like when a tornado hits a trailer park. Like, you can't look away. The show has everything. We got like gay guys, polygamy. We got one bitch got her whole arm chewed off by a tiger. The most sane person in the docuseries is a Cuban drug lord. And then we can't forget about that Carol Baskin. So as you can see, I already did my foundation and my eyebrows. I also primed my lids with concealer. So I guess we're just gonna dive right in. Dive right into that septic tank just like Donald did. So today I'm gonna do the cat eye. Instead of featuring a winged liner going outward, I'm gonna do one on the inside corner. And this is also gonna be a lot of black and really smoky. So I'm gonna take a light brown and use that for my transition shade. So what we're gonna start with, I already set my under eyebrows. I already set my eyebrows with a nude. What am I doing right now? What am I doing right now? Okay, so I'm gonna start with my transition shade. I'm going in with MAC Soft Brown, and I'm gonna do my entire lid crease. Whatever. So I did my entire crease with a soft brown color. I'm gonna go one shade darker and go back over it. Okay, so this whole look is just gonna be browns and blacks. So you basically just need maybe like 3-4 brown shades total and blacks. So we're gonna take this brown and we're gonna start moving it down onto like the top of your lid, not the crease, if that makes sense. Because I want all the browns to seamlessly blend and have it be like a nice gradient effect until we get to the black. Okay, so now that I added the stark brown, I brought it halfway down onto my lid, then the second half is going to be black. I'm gonna go back and kind of blend the dark brown and the light browns together. Okay, so now that I blended out all the browns pretty seamlessly, I'm gonna take a just plain solid black, do my whole lid and just barely bring it up to where the crease is. Now, black does have a tendency to have a lot of fallout, so to prevent having like really dark circles under your eyes that you're gonna have to go back and cover up like freaking John's cover-up tattoo. Like, what was it, a bull? A cow? I don't know, whatever it was terrible. We don't want that. So I'm gonna put like a little piece of paper, you can use a paper towel, anything, put it under your eye, and this will just help to keep the fallout so you don't got shit in your face. Okay, so I added a pretty good solid layer of black. Now I'm going to slowly blend the black up into the brown. This can be a little tricky, and this you do have to take your time on. But if Joe can do magic, so can I. So I'm taking the I got some of the fallout, but that's okay. We'll fix it. But I'm taking whatever the remainder of left. I'm taking, gotta lay off that crack pipe, Sally. Okay, so I'm taking the remainder of the black that was left on the brush, and that is what I'm using to slowly bring it up into the brown. Now I personally like this look with just plain matte shadows, but today isn't a plain video and I think we're gonna add a little bit of glitter. I think Joe would appreciate a little pizzazz. Use this black glitter that I got by the brand NYX, super cute. I'm just gonna apply it to my lids, and how I said in a previous video, the best way to adhere glitter is just using water or sometimes your own spit. There have been times where I've used glitter primers or like a glitter glue or something. I don't really like using those because they turn out to be really chunky. And then when you go to put your eyeliner on top, I mean, now you have a layer of foundation, you have a layer of eyeshadow primer, you have all your eyeshadow, then you're gonna put a layer of glitter with like a mixing medium, and then you're gonna put an eyeliner on top. It's too many layers. So when you finally go to put your eyeliner on, what you'll notice is your eyeliner is just gonna peel right off. So I got this little crappy brush that I got for free, probably came with a makeup palette, and I'm just gonna go for it. Alright, I added the glitter. I think it's looking pretty cute. I'm not really sure how it's looking on your end from the other end of the camera, but I think it looks cute. I'm gonna go in and start my eyeliner. I'm using the Tartiest clay paint like I've used before, and I'm just gonna do a basic black line. After that is when things get tricky, so you're definitely gonna wanna take your time with it, as slow as possible and straight as possible, unlike Joe's marriage. Okay, so I did my top eyeliner. Now I'm gonna go in with a plain black pencil and do my waterline, and then I'm gonna move on and show you how I'm gonna do the cat eye, but on the inside corner instead. Batman, God damn it, Carol Baskin, get out of my video. Okay, so I lied. So I said I was gonna do my eyeliner and then I was gonna show you this, but I'm actually gonna do my cream highlight first because I wanna have that done because I'm gonna put my eyeliner on top of it and I don't wanna have to be around like trying to maneuver my way. Damn it, stop it. This is Batman, Batman, Batman. So now that I covered up these dark circles like that Carol Baskin covered up Donald's murder, I'm gonna set it with some powder and then we're gonna go in and do the eyeliner. So today for my setting powder, I am using a Mercier translucent powder. I never really feel the need to bake my face. Like, we ain't making muffins, this ain't a meth lab, we ain't baking, okay? I don't find it necessary, and when I mean baking, I mean when you see videos of girls putting the setting powder on their face and leaving it there, I don't really understand that logic. Like, what does the duration of time have to do with the effectiveness of the product? And then plus two, you're gonna have all this extra powder everywhere. It's gonna be all over your face, all over your hair. It's gonna look like you just came back from a long night of a bender. Do just enough that you need, and then brush the excess away. You can even add a little bit like right here to make your jawline a little better for when you do your contour. Moving on to the eyeliner. Now this is gonna take a really steady hand and a very tiny, look how tiny that brush is. You don't wanna overload it with product because then it's gonna be chunky and too much product is gonna get messy. This is gonna be a little hard to show you doing it one-handed, but we gonna try our best. We gonna work some magic. So I did the eyeliner on the top, and now I'm gonna bring it all the way down to maybe like about here, and then bring it back to my waterline, and then fill all this in. Help! For another good trick, you know what I'm gonna do, because like I said, this is a little hard to do with one hand, but I understand how Kelsey feels. I'm gonna add a little dot where I want the tip of my eyeliner to be. Oh, this isn't gonna work. I'm gonna have to come down here for a second. Okay, so I mean, I did my best. It's not the greatest. I've done this look before and this turned out a lot cuter. So now I'm gonna go and fill out my whole bottom lash line. All right, let's go in on the other side and see if this one turns out any better. All right, now this side looks a little bit better. Still a little bit more than I wanted, but nothing a big pair of fake lashes can't fix. That bitch Carol Baskins did it again. For my blush today, I'm going to use a product from MAC. It's a mineralized blush called Lovejoy. It actually almost looks kind of like a bronzer. So I'm just gonna apply this to my cheeks, kind of blend it in with my bronzer, and then throw some lashes on. So a good trick that I use for eyelashes, I apply the glue and I let it sit and get tacky for like a minute, because when it gets tacky, it sticks easier to your lash line, and that way it's not sliding all over the place so you don't have a big mess. And you want these eyelashes to hold on as tight as Joe's eyebrows ring. Okay, my next trick is applying them. Now this is gonna be a little difficult because we've been stuck in this quarantine. My nails are ratchet as hell and really long. Normally this is a little bit easier. I always grab onto the outer edge, and what I do is I lay down the inner corner first, and then I let go of it, and it kind of just like naturally curves to your eyeball. So I'm gonna lay down the inner corner first, and then I kind of just let it, my tweezers. And now I'm gonna pack it down. Boom, eyelashes attached. Like I said, the trick is to let the glue get real tacky, just like all those animal prints, because that's what's gonna keep it from sliding and, like I said, creating a big mess and frustration. Okay, I already laid it down, but I forgot to explain my process, so I peeled it back off really quick to show you one more time how I do this. I grab the outer edge, I lay the inner corner down, and then I simply just kind of let go of it. And then I take my tweezers. So while my eyelashes are drying a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with a lip pencil and a lipstick called Insanity from Urban Decay. But I'm also going to go in with this lip topper from Too Faced. What's the color? Net Worth. I wonder what that bitch Baskin's net worth is. Okay, I'm gonna go back with my eyeliner and just gonna do like one more little touch up to darken it up and see if I can make this look a little better. All right, now I'm gonna set this into place, and this is pretty much the final look. Hey, Sniper. Say goodbye, Sniper. Goodbye. Since we got time, I got shit to do today. I thought I'd have a little bit of fun and just draw some whiskers on. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to check out my page, like and watch some of my other videos, leave in comments below what you liked, what you didn't like, what you would like to see more from me, or what you would want me to focus on or get into greater detail. So happy tiger hunting!